multiple seven-figure potential on this one here. It has the non-original but correct 3,286 cc 4-cam high-performance V12 Colombo platform engine. Believed to be installed in this one of only 2 spare engines that were built by the factory.
Yeah.
There are, on top of that engine, are 6 Weber 2-barrel carburetors. It's rated 300 horsepower. That is a gated 5-speed manual transmission, and that Bordeaux leather interior was done in Italy in 2011.
2-1 is the next spot, sir.
We are at, guys, we are at $2 million.
Wow, 2.2.
That escalated very quickly.
Yes, it did.
Very
Not
quickly.
surprising.
Sir is the next spot. You want 2.4.
You know, this is,
2,000,004. Now
I don't know if it's fair, but I'll throw it out there. This is the La Ferrari of its day, the ultimate Ferrari of the mid to late 60s.
$3 million and it's really not.
And JK, to your point about it not being a quote matching numbers engine, it just goes to show you how much the value is placed on the chassis and the body in these Italian cars.
2.7,
Right.
so we had 2.8, sir. 2,000,008, sir.
It's a race to 3.
2,000,008, sir.
They can give the 3.
2,000,008, sir. 2,000,008, sir.
We can breathe again. The reserve comes off, $2.75 million.
$2,750,000.
We have 2 bidders in the house and at least 1 on the telephone.
$2,750,000, sir. It's going to be
I'm
last
saying
call.
do it. He's saying do it. It's a great
Let's
buy.
go.
2,000,008.
Yep.
Probably it.
Once, twice. Last call, sir.
Do it.
2,750,000. Drop the hammer.
Do
Let's
it.
go.
Telephone's got the high bid.
I'm sweating for you, sir.
Do it. Do it.
Let's go. I know. I hear you.
Crowd's into it. Frank's on the
All these
march.
rock stars.
He's going to talk to the
Give me
bidder.
2,000,008.
Now you can see where he's at, and
You ain't
his
gonna
wife
get
is
another
tugging
shot.
on his arm, so it looks it should be you. So hang on.
One more time. No, buddy.
2,800.
It's,
2.8?
No.
yeah, we're good. We got
Phone.
it. Sir. We got it. His
Phone's
wife
gonna get
him
it.
Down.
Do
So
it.
We're good.
Do it.
Strap
I can tell
the
you
hammer,
want
guys.
to. I can tell you want
Hit the hammer.
Yes.
Let's go. Drop the hammer.
So,
You got it, sir. You got
Gus
it.
Kozar on the telephone.
Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you for your
His guy
business.
gets it
You got
done at
sir.
$2.75 million. What do you think, guys?